Your Star Daily with Phil C.
Alright guys, what I'm doing here is I decided to hit the record button because it is 4:15 right now on get the right day of the week this time, Tuesday. So it's Tuesday the 13th. And right now it's 4:15 in the evening over on my side of the world. And I decided to load this up, the chart here, and hit record because I heard some notifications on my platform. Most people want to talk to a professional about their trading, but it's not always available. I'm going to change that. Sign up below for a free Star account and message me today. Let's preserve your time with clarity and understanding. I'll also give you access to course material once you sign up. Let's remove the confusion and gain understanding by reading the language of the markets like a professional. You'll get a new perspective on price action, how to trade it with structure levels that protects your capital and earns you profits over time. If you can be right 50% of the time, you are going to be incredibly profitable in your trading. All right? Join below for free and start earning because you deserve it. Back to the video. So I wanted to update you with what's happening on a couple of trades, and also take the opportunity to update you with almost hit entry there, but we missed entry, and update you with what's happening on the main website, which is getting a remodel. So I'm super excited for that. That's what I've been working on past couple of days, and then I will announce that to you, and there'll be a lot more new information on the site with some exciting things that are to come that I'm super excited to bring to you always. So on the euro dollar for our time frame, now I've been waiting for this for a while because it's a 4-hour chart, and what I was doing down here is looking for a buy opportunity. So this is a buy opportunity in the form of a trend continuation trade. We had this starting point down here, and then we had a move towards the upside, retesting this structure. So this decision point, price action moves up, closing above this high, and also closing above these highs right here looking left. Okay, so that was signaling to me a bullish rotation, and then we get a move all the way back down and retesting this previous structure level. So resistance becomes support, and at this support level I wanted to get involved in a trend continuation trade. So this was my buy zone right here. And then price action came up, we're in the money, and then we came all the way back down. Which happens, right? We buy here, we dip lower, oh no. And then we rally up, oh yeah, because we're in the profit. And then we dip all the way back and we see all those profits going away in our platform. And then we dip lower again. Oh no, what are we doing? We got to stay in the trade. We got to follow the plan. And then we come rally back up. We're in the money again. And then we come all the way back down. And it's just this roller coaster of emotions, right? Which you go through and I go through, and everyone on the charts in the markets is going through. We love these roller coaster of emotions that we go through bar by bar in the trade. The one way to overcome that is to get away from the charts and wait, as I mentioned earlier at the start of this video, is to wait for a sound or a signal or an alert. And then you come back and you check the charts, because you don't want all these in profit, out of profit, in profit, out of profit emotions to influence your behavior in the form of, moving stop or getting out or taking profits up here, right? Because we don't want price action coming all the way back down. So we take profits there, right? And then it does come all the way back down, and then you pat yourself on the back for a good decision, which is not a good decision. That's bad habits. Going against what your initial plan was, and going against what your initial thesis was, because targets are up here, right there. Okay. So because you let emotions dictate your decision, because you let fear of losing money change your behavior, now you're going to repeat the same thing over and over and over, which can be absolutely disastrous to your trading. Because now, instead of making 73 pips on this trade, now you've only made 46 pips, right? So you missed out on that extra move. You missed out on 27 pips because you broke your rules and you didn't follow your trade plan. Now, one time, arguably, it's just one time. But you and I both know it's not just one time, is it? The next time you sit here in front of the charts watching price action go up and down, up and down, up and down, in profit, out of profit, in profit, the next time you're in profit, you have that feeling now, you have that habit of taking off the trade and trying to secure profit, right? So we don't want to form those bad habits. We want to stick to the plan, because over time, that extra 27 pips is going to add up throughout your trading year, right? Over a 12-month period, that is definitely going to add up. So we want to make sure that you stick to the plan and then play out the trade. Very, very important. Yeah, so our first targets was around here. And then be about 70, let's say 70 pips, right? Oops. 70 pips. Price action comes all the way up, hitting our target 1. So then we take off half of the position. So here's my target 2 right up there. We take off half of the position here and we roll stops to break even, right? And then we roll it a little bit more because we want to account for the spread. If price action does retrace and come all the way back down into our entries, we want to be out for break even. And then now we be patient, right? So then price action comes up, retest these highs right here. We come all the way back down and then we be patient. We don't have to do anything at this point because our original trade was already done. So we don't touch anything. Once you place the trade, that's it. The only time you change anything is, again, by following the plan and rolling stops to break even if price action hits your target 1, right? So see if we can get another move higher into our target 2, which would be good. It's about 7 pips away. So now we just have to sit here and not change anything and be patient and not sit here and watch it. Because everything that you did was correct. So you pat yourself on the back for a good trade. And then you wait for price action to play out. Yeah. So this is Kiwi dollar 1 hour time frame. Kiwi dollar and also Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar. That's already hit double target. Had target 1s here. And then I had target 2s up at the 127. I think I'm too late to show that though. I was trying to get there, but we got a candle knocking us out. You know, because proof is important. That's why. Yeah, I had target 1s here. And then target 2s at the 127. But yeah, so that was Aussie dollar 1 hour time frame. Closing above these highs right here. We get a retracement back down into previous support becomes new resistance. And then we want a retest of the highs right there. And then an extended move up at the 127, which we get, which is good. Yeah, so it'll be about 35 pips on the balance of that position. So that's great. Back to the Kiwi dollar. Yeah, so Kiwi dollar, same thing. Yeah, same thing played out here. We had a close above this. So this is a trend continuation trade after trend continuation trade, right? We come up, we come all the way back down into this level, right? This level of interest right here. And then I get long on this candle right there. And then price section comes up, hits target 1 right there. And then we have a script auto rolls my stop loss to break even. Excuse me. And again, a little bit more, right? So we come up and we hit target 1 right there. So another 27 pips. So doing good. We're doing good trading at the moment. And now we have target 2s at the 127, which was our previous low right here to our previous high right here. Okay. So that was a Fibonacci extension from that low to this high, back down in. So you're measuring the 127 Fibonacci extension right there. Target 1s are at a retest of the highs right here. Price action comes up, hits target 1. So then we take off half of the position and then we roll stops to break even. And now we do nothing. Again, it's all about being patient from this point. Yes. Then we wait to see if price action plays out on this trade. So again, one or two things is going to happen. Price action is either going to retrace and come back down and hit our stop. That way, we're out for break even, and then we just walk away with 27 pips on this trade. Or we be patient and see if price action can do the second thing, which is come up and hit target 2, which would be a nice 44 pips on the rest of that move. This is Kiwi dollar 1 hour time frame, and we had Aussie dollar play out as well, 1 hour time frame. And then yeah, back to our original trade here. We're just waiting for euro dollar 4 hour time frame to play out as well. And last thing, what I'll leave you with, one of the trades right here, currently involved in now, is euro yen. This is on the 4 hour time frame here. This is not a trend continuation trade. Wow, really? Yeah. It's something different. So we have a Fibonacci retracement, swing higher, swing low. And right here, you can see that price action came up and hit our 618. B point retracement. Then we come all the way back down, not violating these lows down here. Then price action comes up. So I just got triggered today another thing that alerted me. Got triggered today, currently short involved in this position. So we'll see what happens with our 382 for target 1 and 618 for target 2s, again on the Gartley pattern. Euro yen for our time frame. See if we can get a move all the way down into target 1, which would be about 70 pips, or we can give it back with stops at 60 pips. Let's see what happens on this trade right here. This is my sell zone right there. Anywhere between our entries, right? Anywhere between the entries and your swing high is a potential sell. And of course, naturally, the higher you get to the swing high over here, more better risk to reward you have on this trade with this position. So those are my trades for the day, and also I will keep you updated with what's going on and some exciting things to come soon. Please, if you are watching this, and I hope that you are enjoying the star trading overview videos. So I'll be doing those on the weekend for an overlook of what I expect from the markets throughout the week. I will bring to you more news as we get closer to something new that I want to bring to each and every one of you. Please subscribe and hit the like for me to help out with the algorithm. I appreciate you and love you very much for doing so. Until next time, be safe. By the way, before I go, this week with fundamental news is exceedingly dangerous. Please be cautious and careful throughout this week. There's many people who come to the charts, come to trading, who don't have that plan, who don't really have an edge, and they start trading and they get caught up in all the fundamentals that happens and big moves, which can be absolutely disastrous. So please be extra careful and extra cautious this week if you're trading the markets, and always stick to your plan. Important. Until next time, be safe, enjoy life, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much.